He's off. Oh, that one was hungry. So there we are. First fish of the day. Caught on the LMAB drunk dancer. Yeah, he's got a bit of blood coming out. Get him back. But yeah, happy days. Get you back. Yep. Oh, that's a tiny one. There we are. Baby pike. Let's get this one back. What's going on, guys? Back down the river. And it's cold. It's like 5 degrees or something like that. Real feel 2. So it's definitely dropped temperature in literally the last 2 days. I was down there a couple of days ago and it weren't this cold. Conditions, yeah, cold. There's a little bit of a breeze going on, but it's not too bad. The water's cleared up, to be honest. I was down here the other day just after they cut all the reeds back and stuff, so a lot of it was just floating on the surface. Some of it was a pain. Just kept hooking onto it when I was like retrieving the lure back in, but I mean today it's cleared up a bit. I've just had a few casts down the bridge, couldn't see anything. But yeah, I'm gonna walk up. I'll walk up quite far. I'll say as they cleared the reeds back, before you could only go like, I mean halfway up, because there's another bridge up there and you could only do about half of it, if that, because the rest of it there was just no swims. But now they've cleared it all, I'm pretty sure you can now get all the way up, so I probably won't go the whole way, but I'm going to walk a lot further than what I normally do down this stretch. And yeah, see if we can grab a pike or two. The first clip, that was at a different spot. That was just the other day. I had a couple hours free. I only pulled the one out. The second one, that was when I was here a couple of days ago, actually. Again, I only pulled the one out. I mean, they're only little ones, but I'm catching, do you know what I mean? It would be nice to get a big one, and that's what I'm hoping for today. I've currently got the drunk dancer on, so we'll give that a bash, and if that don't work, I have got a couple of other lures with me to try out. So yeah, hopefully we can have a pike or two today. Hope you enjoy the video. So I've gone up, I mean, I don't know if you can see the bridge all the way up there, but I've walked up a fair amount and I've just seen this. I mean, I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's where the pipes come out or what, but I mean, as I've said, I haven't been able to fish this far up, so let's give this little spot a go and yeah, see what's going on. I need to move my camera up. There we go. But yeah, no, we'll have a few casts down here. Oh, my hands are freezing. We'll have a few casts down here, and then I'll probably walk up some more, to be honest. I mean, now I've walked up that other bridge, that second bridge ain't too far away, to be honest. So I might even find myself walking all the way up there. But yeah, we'll give this spot a little go. Yep. Oh, that's a hit. Is he going to come back? Yep, fish on. Ah, oh, come on. It's not a very big one, I don't think. That's such a weird take on that. Past few sessions, this is literally how it started for me. I've had one hit within probably about 20 minutes of being here, and that's it, just a hit. I haven't actually pulled it in. I don't think he's still about. Yep. Just come out of nowhere. Hooked on the reeds. There we go. First fish of the day. And there we are. First fish of the day. Little jack. That'll do. I'm happy with that. Yeah, it's all I seem to be pulling out, really. I mean, it's not the same as it was anymore, and I've heard that from a lot of people, but I'm happy to catch a pike. That'll do. Yeah. Alright, let's get this one back then. Well, I'm glad I stopped at this spot. I'm literally just going to go the other side of whatever this is. Have a few casts here, and then I'll head up a bit more, I think. Just, yeah, see how far I end up getting. I'm saying, then I'll just end up turning around and heading back. Yeah, let's give this a go. Yep. Ah, oh, come on. a better fish? Nah, still a small jack. Ah, smaller than the last one. These small ones are fiery, they are. Yeah, alright. And there we are. Fishing on the 2 of the session. Another little baby. I'd like to know, where all the big pike have gone. I'd say these last few sessions have just been little babies. I mean, I had a hit on my last video. I mean, I had a hit from my big pike on that, but it's just nothing now. Absolutely nothing. Hopefully we can pick up a bigger one today. If not, it still ain't been a bad session really. Hit. Yep. Oh, that's got to be a little one. Yeah, another little jack. There we are. Smallest one of the session. Yeah, let's get this one back. So that's going to be the end to this video. Not a bad session today. Same again, little jack pike, but yeah, it's been productive. It's been alright, to be honest. Better than the last couple of times. I mean, you'll see the clips at the start. I literally only pulled one out both sessions, so I don't know, they just weren't on it. But yeah, hungry pike, small pike always hungry pike. It's just a shame that there's no big ones about. I've literally just done this whole stretch from bridge to bridge, and well, I've pretty much covered the whole of it, and yeah, it's just, I don't know what they're doing. I mean, they're probably just sitting low, hiding. I mean, it is coming up to that point now, but I'm literally just walking back. I've got a fair old walk back to that next bridge. But yeah, I'll stop a couple times on the way back. I always do. Get the lure wet again before I go home. And then yeah, if I get anything, obviously I'll add them to the end of this video. But yeah, so far that's the end of today's session. Next session's probably going to be next weekend. There is a plan of going with one of my mates. So we're probably going to do a different stretch. I mean, I've only really fished a couple just because they're close to me, and I know there's pike in them, so it's easy. But hopefully next weekend should be a bit different, and yeah, different location, whatnot. But yeah, cheers for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.